Ever wondered which AI skills are the most overlooked but can supercharge your personal finance game? Well, you're about to find out. I'm Asta, and today we're diving deep into these hidden gems. Let's kick things off with data visualization. It's not about creating pretty graphs. It's about communicating complex data in a clear, impactful way. So how can you get better at it? Start by learning tools like Tableau or Power BI. They are user-friendly, powerful, and highly sought after in the AI industry. Next up, domain knowledge. You're probably asking, Asta, isn't that obvious? Well, it should be, but it's often overlooked. You see, AI isn't just about algorithms and coding. It's about applying these tools to specific problems. If you understand the industry you're working in, you can create solutions that are truly impactful. A great way to develop this is by reading industry-specific publications and talking to experts in the field. Last but not least, emotional intelligence. Yes, even in AI. It's about understanding your team's emotions and motivations. This helps you work better together, manage stress, and ultimately deliver better results. To develop this skill, take time to listen, empathize, and communicate effectively with your team. So there you have it. 3 often overlooked AI skills that could transform not just your career, but also your personal finances. Why? Because a higher value skill set translates to higher earnings. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know, which of these skills do you plan to work on? Maybe you've got another overlooked skill in mind. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button for more insights on AI and personal finance. Remember, knowledge is the new currency, so let's get rich together. Until next time, I'm Asta, and you've been awesome.